Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I can't believe it's already the end of July. So on today's video, I've decided to talk to you about my current favorite product, but not only makeup because there's so many great makeup products, but I think if you're looking at your overall beauty regimen, your luxury makeup lifestyle, I do have some tools, product, or tech beauty. If you're actually using them the way they should be used, it's going to change how your skin looks. So this video is not being sponsored or promoted. Some products have been sent to me for me to review them, but I'm doing this video with products that I truly think that are working. They're just word for me to spread the word and give them a little bit of hype. Let me start with this mask. So it's an LED mask. So I did a full review, and for full disclosure, this product was sent to me PR for me to do a review. But for on today's video, I am coming here just because it's actually a really good product. It's really working. So it's the Amiro mask, and you literally wear it like a mask and you do look like Iron Man. It's quite funny. Just for the video, for the sake of it. And it is a gadget, but it's actually working. So it's an LED mask. It's got 3 functions into it. You've got a firm, a glow, and a purity. You gotta use it about between 3 to 5 times a week for maximum 30 minutes. So I usually use it for 15 minutes, to be honest with you. And if you're looking to transform your skin, obviously you have to use it every week. Otherwise, it's like anything else. If you're not consistent, it's just not going to work and give you any results. But this little bad boy here that comes with the remote. So first of all, you can wear it and do something else. You can watch TV, you can read a book, you can cook, whatever you want to do. So that's great. But it's great also if you have acne scars, if you want to purify, if you want to give your skin a little boost, help to boost the collagen, firm up your skin, reduce the fine lines, all of this, it's going to work. You will achieve whatever you want with this mask. Makeup will take you so far. If you're not necessarily looking after your skin, as in your skincare routine, and integrate some of these products. If you're looking to have a flawless makeup, you don't want to have too many lines, too many creases, well, it kind of goes with how you look after your skin. Obviously, you have to hydrate and moisturize and use your SPF protection. But once you add products like this, it's a big game changer. Now, if we go into the makeup, I'll come back to some other tech product. Moving to makeup, I do have a few products here that I think if you don't have them on your wish list, you should definitely add them. Let's start with the blushes. So I have 2 blushes that have just blown me away. We have the Saie Baked blush. So this is, where is the name of this one? The SuperSuede Radiant Blush Powder. And this is shade Ciao. It's kind of that terracotta. That's the blush I'm wearing today. It is such a nice blush. It is super luminous. It's a baked powder. So it's giving you that flush, but it's quite buildable. But it's very airy. It's very powdery. And it's just giving you the most beautiful look. And it is, look at this color. Super easy to apply. It's not patchy. It's just applying gently on the skin. It's very soft, and I love how it looks like it's quite sheer, but you can really build it, and it gives you just that flush right now, but I can add a few layers and build it, and it's super radiant. And because it is a baked blush, it's going to give you that super radiant look without having any chunk of glitters or anything, and super long lasting. It's literally like you're not wearing anything. It's super light. I really like this blush. The other blush that I'm now obsessed with is the new Ilia blush. This is the Soft Focus Blurring Blush. And honestly, I'm always a little bit doubting when I hear a brand launching a blush that is blurring, because as far as I'm concerned, your blush is not necessarily what's the most blurring from all the makeup product that you can have. But this creates such a soft focus. It's literally like you're having a filter on your cheek. It is a beautiful new launch. I have shade Breathless. Look at this. I went for something very neutral. It's kind of that rosewood shade. Completely matte, but has a beautiful luminosity into it. Look at this. How reflecting this is. And it's giving you a sheer veil of color, but very buildable as well. And it's still very radiant. I absolutely love this new generation of blush. It's kind of a second skin. It just looks really good on the skin. It's so light. And look at how blurring, and it's kind of giving you that really true soft focus filtered look. Not that I have anything to hide, but I just really like how it looks on the skin. So this one, I'm definitely picking up more shades. There's so many, I think there are 6 shades in total. The baby pink is really calling my name. Other makeup product that I think you should have on your wish list, the bronzer from Foreo Peach. So I've been using this since a few days, week now, and I was a bit on the fence because it is £71 for a very small bronzer with a very overweight package. But this bronzer, it is so beautiful. It's velvety, it's creamy, it's a matte luminous blush that has a suede finish. It is a beautiful new find. I went for shade Bois, the lightest, but actually it is quite buildable and I like the cool tone under it. And it's refillable. Look at this. If you're looking for something cool tone but has close to I don't want to say red-ish, but because it's quite cool, you'll see what I mean. Look at this. Look at how nice this is. So completely matte, but it's got a really nice luminosity. And if you're looking for a bronzer that you can create some monochromatic look, this is it. Super easy to apply, buildable, a good payoff, completely matte, so no chunk of glitter. And this can be used as a hybrid between a bronzer and a blush, eyeshadow, just kind of a little bit that does everything, an overall product, which I really, really like. And for me, this justifies a little bit more paying such a high price tag. If I can use it for many things, I'm happy with it. I think this is beautiful. It's super long lasting, lightweight, just gorgeous on the skin, not patchy. I love how soft it is. I also have a product that I've changed my mind about. The more I play with it, the more I use it, I've actually decided that I'm quite happy with it and I quite like it. So these are the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat. They have 2 shades in the same pen. So you've got your lip liner and the filler shade. At first I was like, yeah, well, it's a bit, what's the point? You're literally having 2 small lip liner on one pen. But the more I've been playing with them, the more I actually really like them. I think the shades are great. I picked up the medium tan as well, so the darker medium, and I really think they are actually super good, super long lasting. They are a little bit waxy, so they apply really, really nicely on the lips. I just think they are great. I have changed my mind. I was a bit on the fence and a bit disappointed, but actually, if you're looking for something very easy to use, you can use them the way it's supposed to be used, so as a lip liner and a filler, and then you can apply your lip gloss on top of it. I've been using them in so many different ways, just 1 shade, 2 shade mixed together, on, you know, with a lipstick on top of it with a lip gloss, and I've been very, very impressed on how long lasting they are. They're not drying, they stay in place. and the color schemes is actually really nice. It's quite inclusive. You got something darker, something lighter, and something with a bit of a cool tone under it. So this is definitely more of a cool tone. This one as well, this is your medium but has a cool tone to it. So I think actually the more I'm using them, the more I'm really happy about these. I also have another gadget that I have to share that I am using. It's not promoted or anything. It's the Foreo Peach 2. It's a laser device to be used at home. And I've been doing laser in clinic with my esthetician for quite some time. And in Dubai, it used to be extremely cheap just because, I don't know, it was much cheaper, much affordable. Whereas here in the UK, it is very expensive. I'm not going to lie. And I felt like it was time to explore other options, and where I'm just maintaining, it's more about maintaining than anything else for me. But now my husband is also using it and he has seen some amazing results, and I'm also seeing amazing results. So this little device is super easy to use, and I think it's one of the best on the market. The device itself has a cooling head, so it is not hot at all. It's super safe to use, very easy, so quick. I have been very surprised. And I paid, I think, £300, which was the price of one session for me going for my laser treatment. So if it was a bit of a no-brainer to try it, you gotta use it how it's prescribed to be using the device. So you gotta use it once a week for 12 weeks consecutively, and after that you maintain or you prolongate the treatment depending on the results you're having. Obviously, you have to have a skin that is not super dark. If you have a super dark skin, you need to go into a clinic, have your treatment done by a professional with a much powerful machine. But this device at home, to be used at home, is great if you have a skin like mine, or lighter or more pale. With hair, like, we need to be able to see your hair. If you're super light and blonde and you just have a little fluff, it's not gonna work because the light is not gonna catch on the root and the bulb of your hair. If we don't see it, then the light, the device, the light is not gonna go and hit and kill the root. That's how it works basically. But I have been so impressed with the result, and I love how quick it is. So I do my full legs, you shave your legs, and then you use the device. There's no downtime. You just go spot by spot, and it's literally 10 minutes and you're done. So if you're looking for a device to be used at home that actually works, a little bit more expensive than some other devices, but super safe, very easy to use, and it's actually giving you great results. And last product I have to talk about, this is not new. Well, it's new from, I guess, a few months. It's all the Victoria Beckham brushes. I know I talked about them before, but I'm coming back here. If you're a new viewer here, these brushes are seriously so good. I truly believe that makeup, the application and the tool you're using has a big part to play on how your makeup is going to look. If you don't have the right tools, and I think that's the case for anything in life, if you don't have the right tools, you're not necessarily gonna have the best possible result. And these brushes, obviously they're not cheap. This is luxury beauty. But if you're looking to invest in brushes that will stay with you for a very long time, I got this bundle of 5 brushes. They are basically all the brushes you need for a very simple and minimal makeup kit. I do have other brushes, but I think this is a great way to start your collection of Victoria Beckham Beauty brushes. They are synthetic brittle. I wash them with baby shampoo and it works just fine. They are just so versatile and easy to use. The way the design of the brush is done, it just fits perfectly into your hand. This is for blush, but actually, in my opinion, the brush, even though it says this is a buffer, but I use this for my foundation, for cream product, mainly for cream product because of how the brush is done, but you could use it for powder product as well. It doesn't matter. You can buff your contour, you can buff your your bronzing cream, it doesn't matter, and they are just so good. They always make my makeup look so flawless. So if you're looking for brushes, Victoria Beckham Beauty brushes are beautiful. That is it for my current favorite in the world of makeup and beauty in general, obviously luxury beauty, because these products come with a price tag, but I think all of these products are actually justifying their price tag because they work, they are really reliable. Also, I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down below, what product are you using? Not necessarily just makeup, but other things that are making your beauty routine and how your skin looks and feel something that is really worth for you to share with us. I'm always intrigued to see what you guys are using at home. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. As usual, I will be listing down below the makeup I am wearing on today's look. A big thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.